Hello, hello. Hi there. How are you? I hope you're doing well. My name is Erika Barriga, and I'm a watercolor illustrator. I'm a painter. I am a friend of Christy Dranix, and just wanted to say thank you to Christy for asking me to paint Frida, which was something that I wanted to do for a very long time. And just thank you for the opportunity of challenging me in this way, because it was definitely something that I was like, I don't know, maybe not, but I love the idea of painting her and having this opportunity to do it here and share it on your channel. So if you have ever wanted to paint Frida, I highly recommend it. There's so many distinct little details about her, which is really cool. But yeah, I have a site, and my site is fluximagery.com. I love to paint, so I make prints and printables, and I teach how to watercolor paint, because there's just a lot of things that I wish I knew from the beginning. So I like to, shorten that journey for others and help them get to the joyful part of watercolor as soon as possible. So I have those classes as well. And I'm obsessed with mermaids, so I figured why not paint Frida as a mermaid. So it was really fun, and I love her detail. She is so adorned in every photo that I can find, because I looked at different ones to help piece this one together. And yeah, she's so adorned, so loving the earrings, big earrings, and these beautiful flower crowns and necklaces, and just not afraid of pattern or layering or anything like that. It's like she had it going on. So yeah, it was really fun to paint her as a mermaid, and I just had a really fun time. I'm glad that yet again, pushing yourself is where it's at. If you don't know, I'm an artist full time, but I haven't been an artist full time for a long time. I just started doing this full time like late September. So this is all new, and with everything going on, it's like super new. But yeah, it's a brand new adventure, and I am loving it. I'm learning a lot, learning so much. So one of the things that one of my subject matters is mermaids. They're just so free and flowing, and they're just like my favorite creatures. The possibilities are endless, and they're just beautiful, and just a whole different side. I love drawing the feminine figure, but when it comes to mermaids, it's just like they are so ultra feminine to me. I just think they're just beautiful. So merging subject matters with mermaids is just a no-brainer for me. It's really, really fun. But yeah, I hope you enjoy. This was really a great opportunity, and I loved painting her, and I hope you do the same. But yeah, my site is fluximagery.com, and I have an Etsy shop as well, which is etsy.com/shop/fluximagery. So looking forward to continuing on this journey, and it's been so nice to meet you. And thank you so much for watching. All right, have a great day. Bye.